In this video, we're going to be talking home security whilst you're away on holiday. Hello and welcome to Switched On Network. I'm Paul FP and I'm talking in a little bit of a hushed voice in this video because we're on holiday at the moment and the kids are fast asleep in bed. But whilst we're on holiday, I wanted to take this opportunity to talk to you a little bit about home security whilst you're away, specifically controlling the lights on a schedule and switching them off on and off remotely to make your house look like there's someone in it whilst you're away. You'll remember a couple of weeks ago I posted a video about smart Wi-Fi LED light bulbs and plug sockets, and I said I'd be telling you how to set up a schedule with those so that your lights can look like they're being turned on and off naturally, as if someone was in the house for anyone passing by thinking of maybe trying to break in. Now if I show you my IP camera here, you can see this is the view of our living room, and if I pan the camera up, you can see that the light is on at the moment at home. Now if I switch to the Kasa app, turn the light off, switch back to my camera, you can see now the light has gone off. So that's very useful. You can turn your light on and off even when you're the other side of the world or just the other side of the country, as the case may be here. And so that's very handy. Now it's dead easy to set up a schedule in the Kasa app. You'll see that it says here, if I just turn it back on, it's currently 3 minutes to 9 in the evening. It's set to go off automatically at 10 o'clock, which is fine. It's dead easy to set up these schedules. So if you press in on there and then press schedule, you can see for this particular trip away, I set it to come on at 99% brightness at sunset. Turn off again at 7:28 in the evening, so not bang on 7:30. Turn back on again at 8. Turn off at 10 to simulate maybe going up to bed, and then come on again at 14 minutes past 11 and turn off again at 16 minutes past 11, which might simulate getting up to go and see to one of the kids, get them a drink or something in the night maybe. So to add a schedule item in, all you do is press the plus on there, and then you can set the time that you want the schedule item to be set. You can say whether you want it to be put onto its last on state, that'll be whatever brightness you had it on, or maybe turn off, or set a custom brightness for this event. And then you could have that repeating certain days. So if you wanted to, you could have it coming on and off at different times every day to make it even more authentic. Press save there, and then we've got it at 14:09. Where's that gone? There we are, at the top there, at 14:09. It would come on at 100%. Another really handy feature of the app here is that you can, rather than setting specific times, you can set sunset and sunrise, which will mean it will obviously be at a slightly different time each day. So if you click the arrow there, you can change it to whenever sunset is on that day. If you go back to that, it allows us to set times. Or if you go back to that, it allows you to set sunrise, so you could simulate turning the light on in the morning when you come down for your breakfast, for example. So I hope you found this quick little video handy. Please give it a thumbs up if you have, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the Switched On Network so you can get all of our videos as soon as they go live. Now if you haven't already seen the videos about the smart Wi-Fi LED light bulbs and the smart Wi-Fi LED plugs, then look at the two videos here to watch those. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.